Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today I am making a very simple, very fast, very easy recipe that everybody in your house is going to love. My easy peanut noodles. I mean, this is so good and it's so easy. You make a sauce, you boil pasta, that's it. You mix it together, add in some frozen vegetables. How easy is that? Anybody can do this. Let me show you how. So here's some ingredients, some sriracha, some veggies, some chili garlic sauce, some ginger, a little rice vinegar, some soy sauce in there, some hoisin sauce, pasta of course, and peanut butter. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, throw it in the pan, and we're going to add that same amount of water to the pan. Thin it out a little bit. Then we're going to add some garlic. I think it's about a teaspoon. And some hoisin sauce, which adds a little sweetness. Should be in a grocery store. If you can't find it, you can leave it out. A little rice vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar too. I like the chili garlic paste here. That sambal. If you can't find it, use chili flakes. Or just leave it out if you don't like spicy. A little powdered ginger. Give that a good stir. We're going to add our peanut butter. People have asked me about the powdered peanut butter. I can't make it work. If you can, I'd love to see it. Let me know. Anyway, give that a good stir. And there's your sauce. Done. So now we're going to boil some pasta. Now here's an interesting little tidbit. That hole in the middle of the spoon, that's so you can measure a single serving of pasta. Yeah, I don't do it that way. I just grab a handful and throw it in. Anyway, we're going to boil our pasta according to the directions on the package. And when it's got like a minute or two left in the boiling process, we're going to add our frozen veggies directly into the pasta water. How's that for a quick hack? There you go. I like the broccoli cauliflower. You can get the ones with the carrots, the pea pods, whatever you like. Toss that in there in the last minute or so. Give it a stir. Let it steam. Done. All we're going to do now is drain it. Drain that, throw it back into the pan, add our sauce, and you've got peanut noodles. I mean, that is so easy, so fast, and it tastes amazing. All right, let's add our sauce. Give it a mix. Look at that. And there is peanut butter. There's some fat in this, so if you're trying to lose weight, you probably don't want to eat this every night. But, you know, once in a while, if you need a quick and easy meal, there you go. Peanut noodles. Get some veggies in there too. I like my green onion for garnish. Boom. Oh, don't forget the sriracha. You know me, I like my hot sauce. There you go. Easy peanut noodles. If you liked the video, be sure and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, by the way, all of the ingredients and the instructions, the exact amounts will be on the website. I'll post a link below. Thanks for watching. Try to do these at least once a week for people to learn and see exactly how easy it is to cook this way. Like I said, I love doing this, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.